Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Random Sync 7, and today I'm going to show you 5 unique segment first features of the KTM 390 Adventure that is probably the first time ever somebody or some manufacturer has introduced it in the country. So quick short video, and I'll show it very quickly. Let's go ahead. The first point I'm pretty amazed by is this. This is so unique, and this is probably the first time I'm seeing something like this on a bike. This bendable gear lever, it's pretty unique, and I would believe this is a segment first for India. And this would, I don't know, change or save us from changing the gear levers in so many occasions probably. So that's it. This is point number 1. Definitely a very unique feature that KTM has made on this bike. So let's move on to point number 2 now. And point number 2 is on the other side. This is the brake lever, and this is unique as well, and I'll tell you why. You can see the holes here. Hang on, yeah, this one side one, and one more that other side, and there are 2 Allen head screws here. So what you can essentially do is move the brake lever one step behind or one step forward, giving you some adjustability on the brake lever, and this is something that I've never seen, at least on an Indian manufacturer's bike. So this is point number 2 that is very unique to this KTM 390 Adventure. So yeah, so apart from this adjustable rear brake lever, they've also given us adjustable front brake lever. You can adjust this, there we go. But also at the same time they have given us adjustable clutch lever. Same thing for the clutch lever. Hang on, it's a little difficult. There we go. So that's pretty cool. I mean, all the major controls are adjustable, and or they could be saved during a crash. So that's pretty cool. Okay, point number 3 is right here. It's an adjustable windscreen. I don't think any other Indian manufacturer has provided this in the country. 2 steps of very basic adjustment, but that is something that at least they are providing. So even if we get a taller windscreen, we have 2 steps of adjustability with that, and it's a very simple process to adjust the windscreen, and I've already made a video about the same. You can probably find it somewhere here, the I button. Just click on it and you'll find an informative video, hopefully, about how to adjust the windscreen of the KTM 390 Adventure. So that's it, point number 3. Let's move on to point number 4 now. Okay, the 4th feature, as you can see, is right here. It's turn-by-turn navigation. This is something that no other manufacturer in India at least provides this within the console of the bike. So pretty awesome. You just need to link up your phone with the console, I mean connected via Bluetooth to your bike, and you should be able to see this. You just need a separate app that you have to pay 600 rupees for, but that's about it, and you get your navigation here. It's pretty awesome. So I've made a detailed video on how to get turn-by-turn navigation on your KTM 390 Adventure, and for that you will get the I button here with the detailed video somewhere here. So please check it out. You'll find it there, all the details. Okay, the last unique feature that at least I believe that they have provided is this here. It's a 12-volt socket for charging any accessories, or using any accessories that you feel like. And why I feel this is important is because, say for example, if you're going on an off-road adventure and you face slush and muddy terrain where you need to reduce the air pressure, so what you can do is you can reduce the air pressure, but at the same time use this socket here to refill the air on your tires. So I mean, if you're carrying a portable air pump, you could use that on this socket itself, and you don't have to open the entire battery and plug it to your battery. So that makes life very easy. And at the same time, you can obviously connect your phone, you can charge your GoPros, and I mean, I've seen other bike manufacturers that have put in a USB socket, but I think the versatility of this is much higher than any other USB socket that you could any other manufacturers are providing. So that is the last point that is very unique on this bike, and probably a segment first in India at least. So that's it, guys. My top 5 unique or segment first features that this bike has. So yeah, after all the features, if you're liking what I'm making, the content of the channel or of the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hopefully I can make more videos during this lockdown. I can't ride the bike at all, and it's heartbreaking. You have no idea. So hopefully I put out another video tomorrow and it's as interesting as this. Please consider subscribing, and stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.